Hello everyone, so how to install an older version of PRIVAT24 app. So super easy, just go to App Store and type this PRIVAT24.old, and then you can click on this section which is called developer, and then basically you can get this one, PRIVAT24.old. So this is the older version. So this is one of the ways. Another way is just go to App Store app again and go to your profile and go to purchased section. Make sure you're signed in with the same iTunes account with which you have downloaded your PRIVAT24 old app. And then just type here, and here I have PRIVAT24 and it's back from 2013. Or something like that. So if you have downloaded this app sometime before, you will see that, and then you can download it again and you will see this cloud icon right here. So there you have it. These are just like two ways I can think of how to get like an older version of PRIVAT24 app.